啊，先介绍配件啊，先介。
可以拧下来。
安全阀啊，这个叫安全阀啊。
带4个。
2分内丝哈，这是什么东西啊？这是什么？是拿来干啥的？
啊，这里是这可以开关的。
啊，是带。
Next, we will teach you how to install the tap water and raw water pumps in this video, so that the raw water pump can successfully deliver tap water to the pre-treatment system.
The first step is to find the main water supply pipeline of your tap water. Then we try to find a pipeline component that can connect the tap water pipe and the raw water pump. Of course, we do not have special model accessories to recommend to you at this step. You can try to find accessories that are suitable for your local area and apply them from our accessory package.
然后我们这里找到一个15到20圈。好。
For example, our engineer took a portion from the middle of the pipes in the accessory package to make these two joints more compatible and used UPVC glue to stick them together.
然后打掉水。好，这样弄进去。
UPVC glue it is one of the very important materials, but unfortunately, due to certain transportation restrictions, this kind of thing is considered a prohibited item for transportation, but it can be easily obtained in many places.
浇水，反正这个
好。
现在全部起不清。起平过后，然后这个上个压力表。
好。
压力表缠个15圈到20圈左右。
15到20圈啊。
Animal pressure gauge here helps us monitor pressure and remember to wrap it with raw material tape to prevent water leakage.
就 OK 了。就平时看这个压。
Then, we remember to install the ball valve to control the tap water switch here. Alright, it's time to take out our raw water pump. And let's find these accessories from the accessory package. Then, we found the stainless steel chuck and rubber gasket, used the stainless steel buckle, and connected the water inlet of the raw water pump. Do the same work at the outlet port of the raw water pump, which is the port connecting to the inlet of the machine host.
外丝是吧
？Then, add UPVC adapters at both ends to facilitate the connection of pipes with UPVC to the host.
对，搬上去，拧到紧，好的。然后要把它拧上去，要加那个叫什么来着？这个叫塑料袋哈，拧上去这玩意儿哈。
The final task we need to do is to connect the source of tap water with the inlet of the raw water pump by using UPVC pipes and adding UPVC glue. This task can be completed. In addition, the power supply of this water pump needs to be connected to the host.
我连在主机上面哈，最后再装那个是不是？
Okay, so in this section we will tell you how to install and add basic consumables to the FRP filter.
这个是下部水，它这边
Connect the lower water distributor to the center rod need using UPVC adhesive, and then place it into the FRP filter, ensuring that the center position of the lower water distributor is in the center of the circle. Polish the edges of the pipe fittings and ensure that there are no sharp parts. Remember to plug this area before adding any filtering consumables, including activated carbon, coarse sand, resin, etc.
这个就是树枝，到时候树枝
Find the backwash head with orange markings for coarse sand and activated carbon. We install water dispenser for the backwash head. Then align the position of the water dispenser with the center rod of UPVC pipe and connect it to the FRP filter. And please ensure that the rubber pad on top is installed properly. Remember the orientation of the water outlet of the raw water pump. Then connect the orientation of the water outlet to the water inlet of the automatic flushing head. And pay attention to the position of the arrow. Finally, let's install the FRP automatic flushing head with softened resin. Note that the model of this automatic flushing head is different, and there is no orange mark on it. Then, we need to pay attention to the corresponding English markings on the inlet and outlet of this flushing head.
Alright, at this stage, let's connect all the FRP filters, and then connect them to the host.
Try to find the appropriate FRP filters, connecting fittings, and fittings in the accessory package. Note that most of the connections in these areas require the use of UPVC adhesive.
加个弯头弯过来，把这改。
In the section coming out of the activated carbon, a sampling valve and the pressure gauge need to be added between the cata and resin FRP. The filtered water from activated carbon will enter the cata and resin FRP filter in this way. Now, the FRP filter needs to be connected to the host, and the final stage, the FRP outlet of the cata and resin, needs to be connected to the precision filter of the host.
一先生都是标配都是这样的嘛，是吧？DN32，
看到，然后就这样，就可以了。
接上啊。
然后这里就。
Finally, we need to connect the wastewater outlets of these FRP filters separately to the sewer, and the FRP connection work is completed.
这个确实要小一点啊。